Hmm. Hello! Today we will buy a big fish, carp. We will cook two dishes from this carp. This guy will clean up and we will take it clean. Hello friends! Here is the half of our carp. Look, it's clean and fat. I will use a really simple recipe, but first I will cut it into pieces. At the beginning, I will put only black pepper and a little bit oil. Now I will mix. Now it's time to grill it. Once I cooked with this recipe, and it's perfect for chicken and fish. It smells really tasty. Friends, this is the cover that we are looking for. It will be really, really tasty, believe me. Look friends, these first two are ready and it looks really fresh. At last, I will put olive oil and soy sauce. olive oil, now the meat must rest 5 minutes. It's ready to try. Smells really delicious. Friends, for this beautiful fish, I have one beautiful salad. The salad is with boiled potatoes, red onion, parsley, vinegar, salt, and oil. Let's try first the fish. So juicy. The combination, no words. We often use this recipe, sometimes for chicken, for fish, and believe me, it's really delicious. Thanks for watching, friends. See you next time.